Hi guys! So if you don't recognize this today video, it's gonna be crazy. Just kidding, it's not gonna be crazy. It's gonna be talking about this rude girl who literally just called me a fat rat because she said that I was showing off from my status. That said, people keep on gifting me rares and I don't even know them. Like next time with the person that gives something to me rares who I don't even know, like I want them to look at my profile and I want them to just know that I don't want them to do that because they can keep theirs. It's not my rares and I don't need them. May I have some? Then, and I said no because I'm thinking of returning them to the owner of the accounts. Then stop bragging. It's not bragging. Yeah, it is, honey. But trying to point out next time a person tries to give me their rares to stop. I don't want other people's rares. Okay, then give them out. Then rank like I have 10 of rares and you're 4. And it's not that I'm missing my type of rares. I keep on getting rares like I'm not showing off. Luckily it is. What you call me poor? What you're saying? I'm not for him. No, you're calling everyone who sees your status. No, basically it's not. I'm not calling them for. Okay, you're gonna go on YouTube if you don't stop. And I have 49 subs, so 49 people will be not knowing I want them to stop. You probably spot them. No, I have got brown hair and eyes shoes from them. I can post pretty. Bye. Rat that is fat. What? I'm skinny. So for proof, I actually have been getting gifts from these random people. This is not random people. This is random people. And Nanny is this game anymore. Like random people give me gifts and I don't know how to stop them, but I kind of appreciate it, but I kind of don't because I want people to keep their rares. And this girl said that I was bragging because I said that I keep on getting rares from a random person. And it has to be the same person because, like, you know, all that. I really don't like that. Oh yeah, speak for more brief than fixes. XD seems fun. Oh my god.